Look at these two fuzzy friends. Can you tell with just a glance which one has collected more and which one has less? Today, Kiki the squirrel and Baba the bear are going on a magical woodland hunt to discover the secret of quantities. Let's wander and wonder. Out in the woods where the tall trees grow, Kiki and Baba the bear walk softly and slowly, with baskets in hand for the treasures they find, leaving no leaf or pebble behind. Baba finds smooth grey rocks. He stacks them all up as they start to play. His pile is a mountain. It reaches up high, while Kiki's small stack has just 4 sitting by. Look at the mountains sitting side by side. Baba has more stones, a wonderful heap. Kiki has less stones, just a few he can keep. Next come the acorns that fell from the oak. They line them up straight for the nature folk. Baba's long row is a crowded space. Kiki's short row has lots of free space. Look and see. How many acorns do you see? Many means more, and less means a few or a smaller amount. Count them with me as they lay them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side has 7 acorns. 1, 2. Kiki has 2 acorns. This side has less, and this side has more. The last little treasure, so shiny and red, are berries for snacking before going to bed. Baba's basket has a heavy, full load, more berries than anyone else on the road. But Kiki's little cup holds just 5 or 6 berries. The definition of less is a tiny, small treat. The treasure hunt ends at their favorite old log, where they sit and they sort. They found some red leaves, the matchingest kind. To see what a perfect, true balance they find, they line them up straight, with a stick in the middle, solving this wonderful quantity riddle. Baba places 1, then Kiki matches true. When every leaf has a partner exactly the same, we call it equal. A beautiful game. There are 4 on this side, and 4 on that too. They are the same, Kiki and Baba, through and through. So look all around you, at home or at play. What can you count in your bedroom today? Are there more blocks or less socks on the floor? Open your eyes and go out to explore. In Montessori education, the concept of more and less is one of the first mathematical ideas introduced to children, and it is always taught through real, physical quantities. After today's story, try this. Put a handful of grapes on one plate and a smaller handful on another. Ask your child one question: which plate has more? Then ask them how they know. That second question, how do you know, is one of the most powerful mathematical thinking questions you can ask a young child. It asks them to articulate their reasoning. That reasoning is the foundation of mathematical thinking. If Tales Animated is part of your family's day, a like and a subscribe means the world to us. Until next time. Keep counting, keep comparing, and keep asking how do you know.